Welcome to Bexton. We are a professional geotextile manufacturer with products sold all over the world. The nonwoven geotextile production process begins with the selection of synthetic fibers. Our raw materials are either polypropylene or polyester. These fibers are first combed to align them into a loose web. The web is then passed through a needle loom, where barbed needles entangle the fibers together to form a bonded fabric. In some processes, thermal or chemical bonding is used to add strength and stability. Quality checks, including strength and permeability tests, ensure that the geotextile meets the required standards. Finally, the finished geotextile is cut to size, rolled and packaged for shipping.